Good morning, afternoon, and evening, whenever you're watching this, everyone. I am actually taking a kind of work day, still in Costa Mesa, after an amazing 2 days of being at the City Gala, honoring My Life, My Power, and other nonprofits that are doing amazing work. And then yesterday, I was at the National Migrant Conference in Costa Mesa doing a yogarati workshop, and I think the person who was in charge of the whole entire conference was in my workshop because she asked me about keynoting next year, so that's going to be pretty cool. Just thinking about listening to different speakers online and listening to different people, it's amazing. If you have not heard of the 10-year, 10,000 hour rule, then look into it. And really, it's a lot of this. I started my speaking career maybe 8 years ago. I started working early childhood about 12 years ago, and now finally things are falling into place. It's really just a true understanding of if you want to achieve anything that you want to do, it's not going to happen fast. You just have to work. I'm just getting to the point of starting to keynote national conferences. Spent a lot of time flying out. I flew out to Kentucky last week on my own dime to do a workshop. Didn't get paid for it, and I potentially may be a keynoter for there as well. So it's putting the dues in. Whether it was years ago being a pro wrestler for 10 years and driving 8 to 10 hours hoping to get $20 just for an opportunity to be in front of somebody, or just working as hard as you can, or also smart too. This is just like really for everybody out there, just to really get that. It takes time. It takes time, it's patience, and just don't stop, don't quit. You know, Gary Vee said it best: if you're gonna fail in life, fail at your dream instead of failing at a job that you're not happy with. So just go for it 110%. Enjoy your life, have a great time. I'm gonna sit here, have all my evaluations from conferences that I'm going to be reaching out to, and just find time in your day to do it. And listen, I know people, they say about Netflix and you shouldn't watch TV. People that know me know my DVR is half full right now, and I love my Netflix, but when I'm watching my TV, I'm working in the background, I can listen to it. If there's an action scene or a dramatic scene, then I'll stop what I'm doing and I'll watch. But you got to just figure out ways how to make things work and just follow it. It doesn't matter how old you are. Doesn't matter. Just pick what you want to do. Take one thing, take an action for it, and just go just hard as possible and have fun and fail and fail and fail and fail, and then one day you won't fail anymore. Love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Namastaya.